Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to day 2 of our Aging Ape week. The letter A. This A reads A for ape. Ape reads A. Ape reads A. All right, remember we already did a letter A at the very beginning of the year for Abby Antelope. Okay, so A reads and A so far. All right, so let's go ahead and get into our second part of the story. We are going to turn to page 24. Okay, so remember yesterday, all the little apes got a letter in the mail, but Aging Ape didn't. But he learned that he could make each day special by helping somebody out and make their day special. So Grandma sent him out to help Grandpa in the barn, and while he was back there, his friends came in, and he doesn't know that yet. So let's find out what happens. Okay, so Grandma Ape taught Aging Ape that any day can become a special day if we do something nice for someone else. Aging Ape helped Grandma Ape peel a big bunch of bananas. Then Aging Ape went out to the back door to help Grandpa Ape rake up the hay in the barn. Okay, page 24. Boys and girls, do you remember who came in the front door as Aging Ape went out the back door? That's right. Grandma Ape opened the front door for Aging Ape's little ape friends. I'm so glad you came, Grandma Ape whispered in each little ape's ear. Aging Ape has forgotten that today is his birthday, Grandma Ape chuckled. Thank you for the invitations you sent us in the mail, Mrs. Ape, said the polite little apes. You are welcome, said Grandma Ape. Now, we can cooperate to make Aging Ape's birthday really special. Then Grandma Ape gave each little ape a job to do to get ready for a birthday party for Aging Ape. Abel, please make a pile of birthday packages on the rug just inside the back door. Then Aging Ape will be surprised as soon as he opens the door. After you make the pile, you may think up some birthday games to play. Abel smiled and went to work. Ada and Adolf, please set the table for the birthday party. I have some birthday paper plates and cups to use. You may paste together some paper chains to hang as decorations. Ada and Adolf smiled and went to work. Amy, the main job I need you to do is to help me make the birthday cake. We will use the bananas Aging Ape peeled for me to make the banana cake. We will decorate the top of the cake with raisins. Amy smiled and went to work. Grandma Ape praised and praised Abel, Ada, and Adolf and Amy for their helpful behavior. Later, Grandma Ape would help Aging Ape's friends hide. Aging Ape would be so surprised. Okay, we're gonna flip one page to Aging Ape helping Grandpa in the barn. While Abel, Ada, and Adolf and Amy were inside helping Grandma Ape, Aging Ape was outside in the barn raking hay with Grandpa Ape. Today is a special day for me, Grandpa Ape, said Aging Ape. Like you always say, make every day special by helping someone else. That's the way, Aging Ape, praised Grandpa Ape. That's one way to stay happy each day. Soon, Grandpa Ape and Aging Ape were finished raking the hay. Aging Ape helped Grandpa Ape put away the hay rakes. Now, said Grandpa Ape, I aim to help you make your day even more special, Aging Ape. Grandpa Ape's eyes were sparkling. I have arranged a strange game for you to play today. Aging Ape's eyes began to sparkle too. Hooray! What strange game will I play today, Grandpa Ape? Listen carefully, Aging Ape, as I explain the strange game, said Grandpa Ape. On the trail between the barn and the treehouse, I have placed strange things. These strange things do not belong where I have put them. Oh, Grandpa Ape, laughed Aging Ape. This is a strange game. Grandpa Ape continued to explain. If you find 8 strange things that don't belong, you may have a big surprise today. Aging Ape jumped up and down and up and down. Aging Ape clapped his big ape hands together for joy. Hooray, hooray! Grandpa Ape laughed. You may begin to play the strange game right now. Aging Ape, put your hands into my pocket. You will find the first strange thing that is not where it belongs. Aging Ape put his hand into Grandpa Ape's big pocket, and out came an ice cream scoop. This is an ice cream scoop, laughed Aging Ape. You are right, Grandpa Ape. An ice cream scoop does not belong in a barn, in a farmer's pocket. How strange. Grandpa Ape gave Aging Ape a big brown paper sack. You may take each strange thing back to Grandma Ape in this brown paper sack, said Grandpa Ape. Aging Ape put the ice cream scoop into the big brown paper sack. Now you may look for the next thing that does not belong where it is now, Aging Ape, chuckled Grandpa Ape as he watched Aging Ape race to the barnyard gate. Right away, Aging Ape saw another strange thing. Aging Ape could hardly believe his eyes. All right, that's it for today for that story. Let's ask some questions about this part of the story. Had Aging Ape remembered that today was his birthday? No, he forgot. Do you remember the name of Aging Ape's little ape friends? There was Abel, Ada, Adolf, and Amy. What did Grandma Ape ask Abel to pile on the rug just inside the back door? The birthday packages, all the presents. What did Grandma Ape ask Ada and Adolf to do after they set the table for the party? To make a paper chain for decorations. What did Grandma Ape and Amy need Amy to help her with all the bananas? To make a cake, a banana cake. While Abel, Ada, Adolf, and Amy were inside helping Grandma Ape, where was Aging Ape? Outside in the barn helping Grandpa Ape rake hay. Why was the game Grandpa Ape had made for Aging Ape so strange? Because there were things in places that they didn't belong. How many strange things did Grandpa Ape say Aging Ape should find? Remember how many? 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And what was Aging Ape to put all the strange things he found? What was he supposed to put them in? A big brown paper bag. What was the first strange thing Aging Ape found? An ice cream scoop. Good job. All right. All right. Let's practice drawing the letter A in the air with our hands. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. All right, remember the letter A? Okay, I'm gonna start up here and go down here, come back up to the top, go down diagonal, and then go across, okay? You ready? Start up at the top, go down, come back up to the top, and go down the other way, and then go across. Okay, ready? Try it again. Start up at the top, down, go back up to the top, go down to an angle again, and then go to the middle and go across. Okay, now we're gonna do the little A. Okay, I'm gonna go around in a circle, come back up to the top, and then drop down. Okay, ready? Up and around the circle, and back down. Okay, start over here in this for the circle. Come back up to the top and then drop down. All right, good job. Okay, now we're going to open up our English paces to page 23. You have a big A and a little a. Go ahead and take your finger, because we're not doing the cutting and the gluing. Take your finger and trace that. Okay, start up here, go down, go back up to the top and go down the other side, and then cross it in the middle. Okay, and then start right up here at the top of the circle where the line's at. Go all the way around up and then bring it down. Okay, trace that a couple times and then go ahead and color it with any color crayon that you want. Okay, you can pause it if you need time and then flip it over, and we'll go ahead and do this page. Say the name of each picture. Sun, rake, cake, gate, plate, table, feather, nut, chain, and paint. Oh, that's an acorn, sorry, acorn. All right. Now, let's point to the pictures that have the A sound. Okay? They have the A sound inside the letters. Okay, so listen. Cake. Cake. Do you hear the A sound in cake? Cake. Okay, sun. Do you hear the A sound in sun? No, cake has it. Okay, rake. Ache. Rake. Rake has the A sound in it. Plate. Plate. Do you hear the A sound in plate? Yeah. Okay. Table. Table. Yep, the table has the A sound in it. Okay. Gate. Gate. Gate has the A sound in it. Feather. Feather. Does feather have the A sound? Feather. No. What about acorn? Acorn. Yeah, acorn starts with A. Okay. Chain. Chain. Yes, chain has the acorn or the A sound in it. Paint. Paint. Paint has the A sound in it. Yes. Good job. So a lot of those pictures have the A sound in them. Okay. Now, with your pencil, you're going to draw a circle around the pictures that have the A sound. Okay? So go ahead and draw a circle around all the pictures that have the A sound and then count them. You should have 8 pictures that have the A sound in them. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video to finish up this page. All right. All right, we are going to do 3 pages in English today. So we're gonna flip one page to page 25 with some cats on it, okay? All right, now get your crayons ready. I'm gonna have you take out 6 different colors, okay? Okay, find your black crayon. Black, okay, and then set it aside. When you find it, you're gonna take out your yellow crayon. Yellow, and then put that one right next to your black one. Green, take out your green crayon. If I'm moving too fast, go ahead and pause it. Okay, set that one aside. Orange, take out your orange crayon. This isn't actually real orange, but it's the only one I found. So, orange. Take out your blue crayon. Blue crayon, okay, and your red crayon. Okay, take out your red crayon. I'm using Isaiah's crayons right now, so. Oh, I found an orange. There's orange. All right. All right, so now you should have 6 crayons. Black, yellow, green, orange, blue, and red. All right, so look at page 25. Look at each picture of Patches. See Patches, the cat is there? Got patches here, patches there, patches on top of a ladder, patches on the side of the ladder trying to get up, patches under the ladder, and then patches sitting beside the ladder. See all those? Okay, listen carefully because I'm going to tell you what to do with each color of the crayons that we just pulled out. Okay? With your crayons, follow the instructions. With your black crayon, grab out your black crayon, circle Patches sitting on the stool. Okay? Where is the picture of Patches sitting on the stool? You're going to circle that one with your black crayon. Okay? Then you can put your black crayon down and grab your green crayon. Green. You're going to circle Patches sitting near the stool. Where's the one where Patches is sitting next to the stool? You're going to circle that with green. Where Patches is sitting next to the stool, you're going to circle in green. Okay. And you're going to grab your orange crayon. Circle Patches jumping up toward the stool. See where he's jumping on the side of the stool? You're going to circle that one orange. Where Patches is jumping up on the stool, circle that one in orange. Okay, with your yellow crayon, you're going to circle Patches walking to the right. Okay, remember this is the left side of the page. This is the first instruction. We always go this way. So you want to circle with your yellow crayon, Patches walking to the right. So this one's the left and this is right on this side. So which one is Patches walking to the right? This one under here, under the stop sign. Okay, you're going to circle that in yellow. He's walking to the right side of the page. Okay, grab out your blue crayon. Circle Patches under the stool with your blue crayon. Which one shows Patches under the stool? Circle that one with your blue crayon. Okay, then you're going to grab your last crayon, the red crayon, and you're going to circle the Patches that's walking to the left of the page. So he's walking this way. Okay, circle that with your red crayon. All right, good job. That's it for English. All right, let's go ahead and do our memory verse, okay? We finished it, and this week we're just reviewing the whole thing each day, okay? Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me on paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalm 23. Good job, you guys. All right, let's grab out our math pace. We're going to turn to page 11. We got smiley faces and flowers. Remember, we're working on more and less. Okay, so look at page 11. In row 1, count the objects in each set. So we're gonna count the smiley faces and then we're gonna count the flowers. This is row 1. How many smiley faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers? Start at the top on the left-hand side. 1, 2, and go down to the bottom. 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers and 4 smiley faces. Put your finger on the set that has less. Out of the smiley faces and the flowers, which set has less? The smiley faces. Good job. Now think. How many happy faces do we have to draw so there will be the same amount of happy faces as flowers? Okay, if we have 4 happy faces and 5 flowers, how many more smiley faces should we draw to make the same amount of smiley faces as flowers? 1. Okay, so now with your pencil, you're going to draw the right amount of happy faces so that both sets have the same amount. Okay, so take your pencil and draw a little smiley face right there to make it the same amount as the flowers. Okay, now go to row 2. If I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause it. Okay, let's count the items in each set. So we have some balls. How many? 1, 2. And we have some jacks. This is a game called jacks. Balls and little jacks. Okay, let's count the jacks. 1, 2, 3. Which set has less? The balls. Okay, now think, how many more balls do we have to draw to make them have the same amount as the jacks? 1. So take your pencil and draw another ball, just a circle. Now there's 3 balls and 3 jacks. All right, let's go on to row number 3. Okay, we have how many stars? 1, 2, 3. And how many suns? 1, 2. Which set has the less amount? The suns. So how many more suns do we have to draw to equal 3? The same as the stars. 1. So go ahead and draw a sun. You just draw a circle with some little lines going out. Then you have 3 suns and 3 stars. Okay, you can go ahead and pause it and finish that up, and then flip your page over. Okay, in row 1, put your finger on the set that has less. Okay, in row 1, which set has less? You can go ahead and count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 shells, and 1, 2, 3 buttons. Which one has less? The buttons. How many buttons do you have to draw so there will be just as many buttons as there are shells? 1. So go ahead and draw a button. Okay, now let's see how many apples we have. 1, 2, 3. How many bananas do we have? 1, 2. Which one has the less amount? The bananas. So how many more bananas do you have to draw to equal the same amount of apples? You have 3 apples and we need to make 3 bananas. So we have 1, 2, we need to draw 1 more banana. Go ahead and draw a banana. Okay, now let's count the squares. We have a set of squares and a set of triangles. Let's see which one has the less amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one has less? It's a harder one, the triangle. So how many more triangles do you have to draw to make 6 triangles? 1 more. So go ahead and draw a triangle right there. All right, good job today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.